Hey, Electro Jeweler Jordan here, and today I'll be making some carved jack skulls, hand-carved pearls modeled after my favorite Halloween skeleton. With a little practice and a simple setup, you'll find that they're pretty easy to make. You'll need the following tools and supplies. Flexshaft or similar rotary tool. It doesn't need to be high-powered, so those 12-volt ones may work for this. Diamond bits. If you don't have them, I have this set on my website and Etsy shop. A ball vise. Now I know that most of you don't have one, so I'll make another video on how to make this, or use a hobby vise. A glue gun, a marking pen, some paint, and pearls. Pair up your pearls if you are making earrings, then glue the pearls to a piece of wood. Place it into the holder that you are using. With my marking pen, I draw the eyes first. This is the biggest feature of the carving, and placement is key. If the eyes look good, then the rest is easy. Now carve the eyes. I'm using a 2mm diamond ball bit. Make an outline and hollow out the center. Again, since this is the largest part of the carving, the most time will be spent here making them look perfect. It gets quite dusty, so clean often. The eyes look almost done, but they're not quite perfect yet. Fill in the eyes with ink to check the shape and correct if necessary. After that, I'll draw and carve the mouth. This can be done using a 1mm ball or 0.6mm tapered diamond bit. I'm using a 0.6mm tapered diamond bit here. This is where the ball vise comes in handy, as you can rotate the pearl and carve from any direction. Since it's a thin line, it has to look fluid, so I go over it a few times to make it look more consistent. Fill it in to check the shape, and on to the teeth. I'm using a 0.6mm tapered bit. If you want to add fangs, you can use the 1mm extra short. Inspection time, and nice. Finally, the nose. I will use the 1mm extra short diamond bit for this. I found that less is more, super fast. Let's fill it in with ink to check out our carving. Looking good! It's starting to look a bit messy, so I'll remove all the ink with acetone. Fill in your design with a durable paint, let dry. Pearl dust is harmful, please protect yourself. It's been about 20 minutes and all dry. Now it's time for the big reveal. Acetone on a soft cloth will work well for this. If you paired them up, you'll want to add posts. I have another video on gluing pearls in a production setting. And if you made singles, then they can be top side drilled. I'll show you how to do that in another video. And put on a chain or strung on a cord. And watch the next video.